welcome to this video. This is Jimmy Abraham, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make use of the pen tool effectively, because I've noticed that among creatives one of the problematic tools for them in designing is the pen tool. So in this tutorial I'm going to cover that, the concept of the pen tool and what you need to know to make it easy for you. So we are going to make use of this. As you can see, this is an image I downloaded. Basically, if you want to remove the background, I'll just go to my select and subjects. With that, I can easily remove the background. But just in case you are using a lower version of Photoshop, or you come across with an image where your version of Photoshop cannot cut out the background perfectly, you need to learn how to use the pen tool. So let's get started. On the keyboard, you just simply press your P and then it's selected, or you can move here and select the pen tool here, the pen tool. So it's very easy. We want to cut around this ball. So the first thing that we would do is this. So tap here. This is the first anchor point. So you need to draw an anchor point before you can begin the journey. It's just like you are running around something, and then the first lap starts from a particular line. So that's how it works. So you have to create the first anchor point, like the one that is here. We've created one already, and then this is a circular stuff. If you keep doing this, you are wasting your time and you might not get the accuracy of this. So instead of doing all of this, we first of all create an anchor point exactly on the line, like so, like this. And then the next thing you want to do is just use our eyes to do a calculation of like if it reaches here. Yes, so you hold it down, you tap and hold down, don't leave. So you move it to the right or to the left to make it curve. So in this case we are moving it to the right, like this, and I'm moving it upward. I'm moving it to the right and upward. Oh my god, that's so bad. This has actually distorted what I wanted doing, but no problem. Actually, there's no problem. So like I said, you will do a kind of calculation with your eyes and then move it to the left or to the right, like so, and then move it upward or downward depending, but in this case we are moving it right and upward. So you just have to test which is best for you. So as you can see, the line is already on it. So at this point we leave it. I just want to make sure it's accurate. Okay, so at this point we can leave it, and then you press the Alt key or the Option key if you're using a Mac. Okay, you press the Alt key and then tap here to make sure it's cut, because if we continue at like this, it's going to make the shape somehow. So for us to avoid that, we're going to use the Alt key. Okay, so you have to break it to change the direction. So the next thing is to continue like this again. As you can see, it should be somewhere around here, and then we are going to tap and hold. At this point we are moving downward and to the right, I think. to the right. Yes, until we get what we want. Until we get what we want, actually, we will not leave it. Okay, so this is easy. Now this is not perfectly balanced, so we press the control button and kind of move it around here, and while still holding down the control button, you can move one of these points. These points are for adjustment, so you can move it like this. You can move it, or you can come here with the control and you will move this part just to make sure that everything is on the line appropriately. So as you can see, this is not good for continuation, so you have to press the Alt button again, like so, and then from here you can draw a curve. Oh my god, let me go back. Okay, so here, and then you move it to the down and left. Until it's on the line like this. I think it's on the line. No. Okay, good. And then we can cut it using the Alt key. This is our selection so far. And then you can go back to the anchor point. You don't just press it. Make sure you press and hold the left mouse button, and then you move it up like so. Just hold. So good. We have our shape.